Hi, this is Dr. Zeff from the Department of Immunology. Today we're going to do an overview of the immune system. We're going to start with a discussion of what triggers the immune system, and that is foreign substances such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites. The clustering of all those elements falls under the category of foreign antigen. When antigen enters the body as a foreign substance, the body recognizes that foreign substance and begins to process it through what is called antigen processing and presentation. So there are cells in the body that can engulf a foreign antigen, such as a dendritic cell found in the skin, which will attach to the foreign substance, engulf it, process it through a series of degradative pathways, and ultimately present the breakdown products of the ingested pathogen on the membrane surface of the phagocytic cell. In the context of a family of transport molecules called the major histocompatibility complex class II molecules. Once on the surface of the antigen-presenting cell, in this case a dendritic cell, the phagocytic cell can now communicate with the adaptive immune system. The antigen-presenting cell, through the presentation of foreign antigenic peptide in the context of major histocompatibility complex class II molecules, will activate a T helper cell. T helper cells are marked by the expression of CD4. T helper cells are crucial cells in the regulation of the immune response. They regulate B cells, which play a role in dealing with extracellular infection. They regulate cytotoxic T cells, a cell type that deals with intracellular infection. A T helper cell that helps a B cell will allow that B cell to differentiate into a plasma cell that can secrete antibodies. Antibodies come in many different types, referred to as isotypes or classes, that allow that aspect of the immune system to deal with extracellular pathogens, extracellular microbes, in a way where those antibodies give rise to elimination or neutralization of infections that occur in an extracellular environment. By contrast, the T helper cell can also help cytotoxic T cells. These are cells that deal specifically with eradication of intracellular infection, such that a cytotoxic T cell marked by the presence of CD8 will recognize a healthy cell in the body has undergone some sort of change where an intracellular infection has taken place, and now the cytotoxic T cell will eliminate the infection by destroying the cell type in which the virus is replicating. In this fashion, the T helper cell can regulate both the immune response to intracellular pathogens through what is called cell-mediated immunity and extracellular pathogens through what is referred to as humoral immunity. We will highlight many of these different features as we move through the entire area of immunology. This is to provide you with an overview of all of the major aspects of the immune system.